So, good evening or Nepogane. I will both speak in English and speak in Chuukese since I have some of my friends that ask me to speak in English so they can understand what I'm saying. So, it has been a while. I have not been doing lives because I've been doing my YouTube videos, but tonight I'm on up here again because I forgot. I should have tagged people onto my live, but after I will tag you guys in. So, Nepoganim Kapon Nirkevisin, all my beautiful Facebook gorgeous women, including my Isapanififi friends. So some of you guys, I think you guys couldn't reach me through my Facebook page. I think I share my first video, which is for my raffle ticket on April 15 at 9. I will be doing my raffle ticket at 9 p.m. Pacific time. I don't know the time for. I think it's gonna be Hawaii time would be 7 p.m. If it's 9 p.m. that would be 7. And I don't know for Guam and Chuuk. But the purpose or the main reason I'm doing this live again is because I want to share my raffle ticket that I will be doing it on April 15. So whoever my dear beautiful friends, my dear beautiful family, Osekan Moten, Opokararisi, FinIasai Raffle, Nekavravi ticket, Esekapameyo Mog, it's only Ruezala. So I'm gonna be mixing Chuukese and English at the same time because some of the beautiful Casanania gorgeous women wanted to understand what I was saying for my first video. So that's why I decided to do another live video so everyone can understand this FinIasai lady. So I talk too much for starting on my PSEC, but at the same time I'm gonna be showing you guys what I will be sharing it for the raffle ticket to all the excuse me, don't make any noise, I'm doing my live video. So or to all the Fefin who wants to get their ticket from me, this is what I will be giving it out. First, I already showed it on my first live video, so I'm gonna show it again. There's gonna be two winning, like 2 times call for the winning prize. So first winning prize, this is what you're gonna win. For the first person that I call her or his lucky number, this is what you're gonna get. So keep watching because I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna get from my raffle ticket. So first, I cannot vet on some of the products or the PSEC to my raffle ticket. So first, it's gonna be this perfume. Who like to exhibit Prada, Candy Prada. So this is a Candy Prada perfume, the biggest one that's gonna be part of the Naki number raffle number 1. So this is the candy product, and along with Juicy Couture. So it's gonna be candy product along with a Juicy Couture bag. I'm just gonna put the perfume and all the fabrics, all the muumuus, all the necklaces, and all the laces. So it's still part of the raffle #1. Can you guys see me or see the stuff? Can you guys see? Can you just put a thumbs up if you guys can see me? I kind of, so the bag, the perfume, and then 2 other fashion ladies, fashionista ladies. These are not gold. These are just fashion materwear. It's gonna be 2 fashion materwear along with the perfume, and it's gonna be 2 fashion materwear, and right there, and it's gonna be coming along with the earrings. The earrings are in my sebi. Earrings, more materwear, and some of the little girls materwear. So these are little girls materwear. It's gonna go along with it too. So it comes with the bracelet and the earrings too. So these are little girls materwear too. And then also fabric yachts. Not that one, because that's gonna be for the second one. So this one, these fabric yards, I think this is 5 yards. So that's gonna be part of the number raffle, winning #1 raffle. And it's another fabric yard, which is this one. Still part of the #1 raffle winning. And another one, which is this one. I think this one is 9 yards. And some muumuus. Who likes muumuus? It's gonna be muumuu dresses. And another muumuu dresses. And this muumuu dresses. And uniform muumuu dresses. So that's the #1 raffle. If I pick your name, you win all those prizes. Everything I just show you guys. And the second one is gonna be, I think I'm missing one of my muumuu. It's gonna be these yards, and then this one, this muumuu, and 2 pairs of, oh, I forgot, part of the #1 is the laces too. And then that's gonna be second 2, right? And then materwear again for #2. It's gonna be 2 pairs of materwear. So that's about it. I just wanna do a second live video again for my raffle ticket. So whoever wanted to buy your raffle ticket for my prices that I just show it to you guys on my live, you are very welcome to inbox me or comment below my live, or whichever you think it's easier for you guys to get in contact with me. But these are the prices. If you love fabric, if you love muwu, if you love fashion necklaces, and if you love perfume, then those are my raffle stuff. And it's only $20. $20, you can win a lot of the products or the bisek. So please, if whoever wants to join me and participate for my raffle, please don't hesitate. You can comment below or just inbox me. And that's about it. I wanted to clarify it in English. So the time, like I said, it's gonna be 9 p.m. Pacific time. Vancouver, Washington time, which is Pacific time, is 9 p.m. And then also, what do you call that? It's gonna be also same thing. It's gonna be live. I'm gonna do a live called the raffle. Same thing like what I do. I speak to you guys through a live video, and you can see me. I will have to draw your name and call your name out. So whoever is interested in getting some of my lucky numbers, please makoto or just inbox me. I'll be waiting, and starting from today I will put down my numbers from number 1 to 100. So once I get everybody up to 100, then hopefully by April 15th, then we'll go our raffle ticket. So please, who is watching my live video, if you can share it, if you can like, share, and share it to those other groups so they can see my live and get their raffle if their ticket from me too. Thank you very much. Kiriso Zabur. To all of you who are watching my live at this moment, I appreciate it. Bakiriso Zabur. Kapatiro. Panfairo. Parausara. Divisin the FinIasai lady for talking too much or for spot. But that's how I wanna share my time and update everyone on my raffle. Happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful women, and also if there's any I think everybody's female because we love raffle ticket. So Kiriso Zabur, who wants to get the raffle ticket, then please just inbox me, okay? So Kiriso Zabur Nepong Safangiri Kebi Veidisin. Peace, Oreka Panona.